Population interactions. In nature, plants, animals, and microbes interact in many ways to form a biological community. The interaction of populations of two different species in a community are called interspecific interactions. According to a species, they could be beneficial, neutral, or detrimental. Assigning plus sign for beneficial interaction and minus sign for detrimental and 0 for neutral interaction. There are 6 different types of interactions. They are predation, competition, parasitism, commensalism, mutualism, and amensalism. If a predator is too efficient and overexploits its prey, the prey might become extinct. Later, the predator will also become extinct due to lack of food. So, predators in nature are prudent. Competition. An interaction between two or more organisms for obtaining same resources is called competition. Both organisms suffer in competition due to their interaction with each other. Competition may be of two types: intraspecific competition and interspecific competition. Competition between two individuals of the same species is called intraspecific competition. Example: when a number of seeds are grown together, initially most of them germinate. Soon a few seedlings will be found to survive. Competition between two individuals of different species is called interspecific competition. Example: competition between visiting flamingos and resident fishes in South American lakes. Parasitism. An interaction between two different species in which one derives food from the other is called parasitism. In this interaction, the parasite is benefited and the host is harmed. Example: Cuscuta, Loranthus, Rafflesia, etc. The life cycle of some parasites require intermediate hosts to facilitate parasitization of its primary host. Example: human liver fluke depends on two intermediate hosts, a snail and a fish, to complete its life cycle. Type of parasites. Parasites are of two types: ectoparasites and endoparasites. If the parasite lives on the external surface of the host organism, it is said to be an ectoparasite. Example: lice on humans, ticks on dogs, Cuscuta, Loranthus, Viscum, etc. If the parasite lives inside the body of the host, it is said to be an endoparasite. Example: rust fungi, bacteria, roundworm, tapeworm, malarial parasite, etc. Brood parasitism. Certain birds are brood parasites which lay their eggs in the nest of other birds for incubation, hatching, and rearing of young ones. Example: during the breeding season, cuckoo lays eggs in the nest of crow and are incubated by the crow.